osseous, and then your cochlear duct is your remember this? Yeah.
Cochlear
Sorry,
duct for
ako
the
na.
cochlear canal for the osseous.
Sabi niya, remembrance.
Hindi ko sure yun ah.
Pero sabi niya,
Disclaimer yun, disclaimer kasi daw sure. So ayun, optic nerve.
Okay?
okay, repeat.
Masabaw, masabaw.
Knock one chai talaga, mali-mali.
Cranial nerve in vestibulocochlear. So mas malaki yung cochlear division sa vestibular. So ayun, cochlear and the vestibular division. And I think we're done.
This one.
Alin mo bro?
Bye, Doktor. Goodbye, Doktor. Bye, Doktor Alita. Bye, Doktor Alita. Papatatu pa daw ng